The high-visibility reversible jacket provides comfort, performance, and adaptability that excels in a wide range of work environments. The high-visibility jacket side features a generous application of 3M Scotchlite reflective tape for complete compliance with ANSI regulations on high-vis workwear. Both sides of the jacket offer zippered hand warmer pockets, internal chest pockets, and a roll-up removable hood for downpours. This jacket also features badge tabs, seam-sealed construction, along with YKK zippers and prim snaps. Integrated mic clips at the shoulders keep you connected, and hook and loop storm cuffs to guard against rain and cold. This is the 511 Reversible High Visibility Jacket.